Hello everyone, this is Peter Stone, President and CEO of Peter Stone Jewelry. I can tell you for 30 years the journey has been exciting. I've been traveling, I've traveled to over 90 countries because of the jewelry and other methods and business. And I'm loving it, and I'm still loving it. And one of the things I really liked about my company was creating my own brand of jewelry. And out of that, we've gotten thousands and thousands of designs and collections. For you, maybe you just have 20 designs that you sketched out. You say, hey, I'd love to turn that into some jewelry. Peter, I don't know how to do it. I do. I can make this process fast, simple, and easy. Be very surprised, and you can do this factory direct. You don't have to come through the USA company. You can do it wherever you are in the world. You can get direct from our company in Thailand and get the shipment even faster if you ship direct from the customer. But we can create an entire line of jewelry in a short period is 6 weeks. But longer is maybe 8 to 10 weeks. But it depends on how many designs you have and the complexity of the design. But express yourself. And especially today, when there's so many run-of-the-mill jewelry designs that are copy, and they're just all the same, your eyes run on. Be different, be yourself, be real, and make money, and be passionate about your own designs. I know I was, I am, and I always will be. Peter Stone, thanking you, and get out there, have some fun, make some money, enjoy life. Peter Stone, check it out.